Histology review for the day. Name with me the different types of epithelia. We have here in number 1, simple squamous. Number 2, simple cuboidal. Number 3 is simple columnar. 4 is pseudostratified columnar. 5 is stratified squamous, non-keratinized. Whereas 6, the neighbor, is also stratified squamous, but with a keratin layer on top. 7 is stratified cuboidal. 8 is stratified columnar. And 9 is urothelium or transitional epithelium. A key distinction in epithelial layers in epithelia is simple versus stratified epithelia. Simple epithelia have only a single layer of cells, whereas stratified epithelia have at least 2 layers of cells. Pseudostratified epithelia have actually only 1 layer of cells, but the single layer of cells are arranged haphazardly, giving off the illusion that they have more than 1 layer, when in fact there is only a single layer of cells. Histology review for the day.